Hello students, good morning. In last classes we completed elementary canal and digestive juices. So in elementary canal, when I was discussing about the small intestine, then I told small intestine plays a very important role in absorption of the materials, absorption of important things which are formed after the digestion. Means when the food are digested, then some nutrient are formed, that nutrient body required, so that should be absorbed by the body. So where all the things are absorbed, all the things are absorbed in the small intestine. So small intestine is the site of absorption. Okay, but the question may arise that why the other organs of intestine are not able to absorb the food, or why the only small intestine is absorbing the food. So as I told in last classes, this small intestine have the finger like structure, as you can see in the diagram, as you can see in the figure 2.11. This is the finger like structure. This is the extension of outer membrane of small intestine. So small intestine have finger like projection, that is called as the villi, villi, that is called as the villi, and it helps in the absorption. How it helps? Because it is a finger like, then it will increase the surface area of intestine. So we can say villi are the finger like structure which is found in small intestine, and it increases the surface area of small intestine, as a result of which small intestine can absorb the food. Okay, next heading is given about the tooth decay. In this we will study why tooth decay starts and how we can prevent it, how we can prevent the tooth decay. So teeth are commonly, sometime we can see some yellow like structure, or yellow, our teeth will become the yellow. Sometime this is due to the deposition of food. Means when food is eaten, a small amount are left in between the teeth. Then saliva and bacteria stick to the teeth and form a sticky film. This sticky film is called as the dental plaque. This is called as the dental plaque. Means when we are eating the food materials, then some amount of the food materials are left if we are not washing the mouth properly, and due to the bacteria will change the color of the teeth to the yellowish, and that is called as the dental plaque. And this bacteria will act on the food material and it will produce the enzyme. Okay, and this enzyme will make the this enzyme will dissolve the our teeth. Okay, one more most important thing I am going to tell, that is what is the hardest material, or what is the hardest part of our body. So answer should be the teeth, and in the teeth what is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of our body and it is found in the teeth. Okay, it is the hardest part. So this enzyme which are secreted by the bacteria, it will dissolve the our enamel, as a result of which cavity will form, and through this cavity if the bacteria will reach to the root of the teeth, then it will cause the sensation and so many other problem. Teeth sometimes the pain is started in the teeth in that case. Okay, now the question arises, how we can avoid this. So first point is given, not eating food like sweets, chocolates and ice creams. Means we have to eat in the very limited amount and at the very proper time. We have to every time we should not take all these things. Second, cleaning teeth after eating sweet and sticky food. If you are eating the anything, then you should wash your mouth, you should wash your teeth properly, otherwise food will stick to it. Next, there you can see the structure of the teeth. Downside structure is the root of the teeth, and upside is the teeth which we can see, which we are looking in our mouth. So outer part, as you can see, outer part is made up of the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of our body. Okay, so I told about what is the reason of tooth decay and how we can avoid it. Next is given about oral questions. So first question is given in the oral question: for which function this tooth is helpful? For which function this tooth is helpful? So there is the one structure of the tooth is given. When I was discussing about the tooth, then I shown you the many other different kind of the structure of the teeth. So this structure of teeth is the canine. And what is the function of canine? Canines helps in the tearing food. So this is the structure of canine, and canine is a type of teeth, and this helps in the tearing the food. Second question: the tongue helps in mixing the food with its watery secretion. What is the water secretion? Water secretion is the salivary amylase, saliva, and saliva contain the salivary amylase. Third, what is the function of part of human tongue? A point is given, the A of the human tongue. So A point is telling the sweet taste. So there are the taste bud in our tongue. So different parts are telling the different things, different taste. So A is telling us about the sweetness of the substance. Okay, so from the next class we will start the digestive system ruminants. Okay, so as always you should divide your notes properly, and you should note down the important points for your revision process. And as always, once again, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.